Well, hello guys on YouTube today. How are you guys today? Well, I want to talk to you guys about my external hard drive for my computer today. Well, this is the external hard drive enclosure case with a original green 2 TB hard drive inside of it. The case name is VENUS DS3. It also can be used with USB and SATA. Let's go ahead and show you how. Here is some cooling fins on this side of the case. Some more cooling fins on that side of the case. Nothing really on the bottom of the case. 12-volt power, USB, on and off switch, SATA, and non-cooling fan here, and it has 2 screws to open the hard drive enclosure case here, and it does come with the 12-volt power brick. It also comes with a SATA cable, and it comes with just a standard USB 2.0 cable. It's not USB 3, it's only USB 2, it's only eliminated at USB 2.0 on this enclosure case. This is a pretty nice case. Let's go ahead and open it up here and show you what I'm going to use, why I'm using this hard drive. Mostly I'm using this hard drive is for storage. And if I can get the screws open here. I mean, this is a pretty nifty little case. You can also buy different cases. You can buy ones or, USB 3s, with a little bit faster data speed, stuff like that. This only has SATA on it. Doesn't have USB 3 or any own types of connections. It's only capable of what the ports are on the back of the drive bay, or the circuit board here. I'm sliding it out forward. Going to try to slide out my hard drive very carefully before I don't damage my drive itself. There is the 2 TB drive here. See, there's my original green terabyte hard drive here. It's a very quiet hard drive. It's not that noisy. And I can see I'm pulling a little bit of dust on the inside. But that's okay, I can clean that dust and stuff on it too. Let's go ahead and show you on the inside of this case. Here we have a couple of circuitries inside the case. There's your OD light, your fan light, OD light over here. Couple odds and ends kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and pull the hard drive out of its SATA connection here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside of my case. Now you can use 4 screws, you can use 2 screws, you can use whatever screws it comes with the case. I recommend using all 4 screws because all 4 of the screws actually help to hold the hard drive into place and stuff like that. And it's a pretty nice case though. It's a little, kind of like what I've been using for the past couple of days now. It's a pretty good hard drive here as well. Let's pick it up without damaging the drive or damaging the connector. Here's the 4 screws that come with the case, the 4 big giant screws. By the way, this is only SATA connections. It's a little tight. And there you go. There you go. Here's my drive. You can see by being inside the case already, it's already dusty. But that's okay. Not too bad. We can clean that. Here is the fan on the bottom. It helps to keep the drive cool. Here is the power LED light. Your transfer LED and power light for your transfer speed. This is only SATA 1, by the way, not SATA 6 GB per second. This is only a SATA 1 connection. There's your connection for your LED. There's your connection for your fan. And all the way over here is your on connection for the power switch. And it's a pretty good looking circuit board though. It's not too much to say about this case. You know, it's a compact case. It's just a 3.5 inch desktop drive like I'm using right here. And this has your SATA, power, USB, and 12 volts power now. Let's go ahead on to the hard drive. This is the hard drive I'm using. This is a, like I said, it's a electrical digital 2 terabyte green hard drive. This is a 6 gigabyte per second hard drive. It's a pretty good model here. I don't know if you guys can see the model though. It's the model is WT20EZRX. This is the model I have. It's a pretty nice looking drive. And here are some of the ports on this hard drive. You got your 6 gigabyte per second SATA connection, and you got some LED some jumpers here, your LED little jumpers. This is just the standard bottom of my drive. I'm gotta be careful not to touch too much of the bottom of this drive, and I do have important data on it, mostly my video files on it. Let's go ahead and go a little bit more over this case here. This case has a cooling fan to help to kind of cool the drive, and once in a while I will take my case apart and will clean the case itself and the hard drive inside. Now the easiest way to install this drive is by putting it on the bay and just sliding it into the SATA port. And by the way, this is only SATA only, not IED. By the way, just gonna gently flip the oil so we don't damage anything, right guys? We're gonna go ahead and put the screws back into the holes here. These are just the standard screws that come with the case. It also comes with on hard drive screws. You can use big ones or you can use the small ones. But I prefer using the big ones because they kind of help to hold the drive into place. It's gonna have to shift over there somehow, you know, get all nice and level. Don't tighten it all the way because it's gotta get the case level, and you gotta get the drive level and stuff like that. Now this case is only designed for a 3.5 and 3.5 desktop hard drive. You could probably use a laptop hard drive inside of it, but it may not work that good. It's a little small. But this is it's a pretty nice looking case, you know. So I'm using my drive for storage, and It's a unique looking case. I mean, anybody can buy a hard drive case, and make an external hard drive from an internal hard drive. You can turn it from an internal to an external drive if you really want to do that. And it's a pretty nice looking case. It comes with all sorts of different accessories, like I said. It comes with a USB cord. It comes with a SATA cable. It also comes with like power brick and stuff like that. That's all it comes with this case and stuff. It's a pretty nice hard drive. Western original green. It's like I said, very very quiet, and you don't really hear it that much on it itself when you start it up and stuff. And yeah, I do undust my drive when it gets dusty. But hey, it's a good hard drive, and I got a good case. You can also buy a bit more different case with a 3.0 cable on it. But that's all kind of like my review of my hard drive and my case as well. Let's go ahead and stick the hard drive back in its case now. Slide on gently, not to damage any of the platters or anything inside of it. Now, I got a good deal on this drive. I only paid like $99 for it. Cause it's kind of like $100 down at an electronics store, but down at my favorite store I got it. It's a pretty good sized drive for what I need to do what I need to do. Now again, if you have the older ID hard drive, this case will not work with that because it's only a SATA drive only. I mean, the connection's only a SATA board, and that's about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of this case and my hard drive. Please subscribe, please leave a comment, please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys. We'll see you in the next vlog.